Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, today, not really a tutorial, anything like that, just an update to what I've been going on with. So, I've installed, or rather I had a transmission cooler installed. Now, I'm not sure how much you guys can see, but if you look down, you will notice that the transmission fluid warmer heater, cooling block, whatever you want to call it, I've changed that. Originally you would only have the cooling pipes that go to the radiator, but this block also has fittings for the transmission cooler. So this is out of a Nissan Sentra, so it has 4 fittings. Right? So I took it to a gentleman and had it installed. So if you look here, you'll see the transmission cooler right there, fitted to the AC condenser in the front of that. Pipes going off to the side here. Very neat work, very neat work. And thus far, I've changed the transmission fluid to a Shell transmission fluid that was about 4.5 quarts, something of the sort. See if we can get another picture of this. I'm not sure how much you're actually seeing here. What we have is actually, we're seeing that hose and fitting off to the left, that's the coolant, and the one to the right there, that smaller one, that's to the transmission cooler. Okay, yeah, so I changed out the fluid to a Shell CVT fluid, and thus far I've seen an improvement. I've actually seen the cold start in the mornings is a little bit better. The shifting, as it were, is a lot smoother. Yes, indeed. So guys, here we are, Nissan Note, and with the transmission cooler fitted. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and like, share, subscribe. Talk to you soon.